Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. So a little bit of a concerning move on Bitcoin. We actually did just have a nice little drop from almost 61K down to 60,100 or so. But keep in mind, you are at pretty good, pretty important support right now. If that ends up getting broken, I can definitely see us dropping down here to trend closer to like 59K, a little bit lower. So keep that in mind, right? If this support gets broken, I can definitely see us down here on trend, like 59.5, and possibly a little lower because we keep dropping, right? Even right now on the daily, like on the reverse MACD, you can see that we still have weakening. Look at that. You see that? It actually just turned stronger bear right now. So if that actually ends up closing stronger bear like that, that's actually really concerning for Bitcoin because that means we can definitely keep dropping. And also look at the slope, right? You can still drop all this right there. So from the beginning, right, when you actually saw that drop, we went from 66,000 to roughly, you know, 60,000. So this move right here on the stochastic has been a $6,000 drop. If we drop another 6K, that would take us to like a 52,000, sorry, a $54,000 Bitcoin, which would put us somewhere around like right here, like in this general area, so a little bit above previous support. So keep that in mind. I'm not saying we will, but if we do end up dropping again and breaking trend, I can definitely see us drop to like a 54.5, possibly 55K level. It's kind of concerning that that Bitcoin keeps dropping like this because it already broke. It already broke the higher trend. It came down. It's trading on its current channel, and if it breaks that low side of this trend, I can definitely see it go all the way back down to like 53, 54K. So a bit concerning that we're actually creating stronger bear candles like this, and I'm pretty sure on the weekly you are going to be closing a weak bull week tomorrow, which again is very concerning. They're tall. What is it? Tall tale signs of something of possibly another drop coming, like what happened back here on the week of September 6th, or at least it started right, where we dropped from 52K, 53K, all the way down to 39K. So still a bit concerning. I don't want us. I wouldn't want Bitcoin to drop that hard. But looking at the weekly, it does look like it's starting to show signs. If there's no recovery and you actually cross under that 60,100 level, we can definitely see 53K, 54K drop again. So we can definitely see something like this, like we drop, retest this as previous resistance as support, and then you run, right? But again, we can definitely see a similar drop like this where we saw right here, right? This drop, we can definitely see something similar from here down to like here. So just be very, keep that in mind. We can definitely see some sort of, pattern of consistencies of dropping like that and then running later to the upside. But I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.